subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has introduced its new budget smartphone in China called Oppo A11s. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A11s features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 89.2% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU, and it packs with 4 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo A11s supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 10 out of the box based on ColorOS 7.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.9 by 75.1 by 8.4mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A11s has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in matte black and dream white color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A11s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.